Hi, my name is Melissa and I'm a subject librarian at Bath University. This video will show you how to access and use the library's newspaper database, Gale OneFile News. Gale OneFile News gives you access to more than 2,300 local, regional, national and international newspapers in full text format. Results from Gale OneFile News will be included if you search the library collection from the main library website or from your Minerva library search box. However, if you want to limit your search results to content from Gale OneFile News only, it's always best to go directly to the database. To do this, find the database A to Z on the main library website or on your Minerva library tab. Scroll down to G and select Gale OneFile News from the list. Click Access Now to enter the database. If you are off campus, you'll be prompted to log in using your BathSpa username and password. Once you are inside the database, use the basic search box at the top of the page to search in the same way as you would search the library catalogue. By doing a basic search, you'll get lots and lots of results, and I've got over 1 million results here. You can conduct more detailed searches by using the advanced search option. This allows you to combine search terms. In the example shown, I want to find information about climate change, or global warming, or pollution. And I only want to read full text articles. I've also chosen that I only want to see results from 2019 onwards. You can change these options to best suit your search, and you can limit as much or as little as you need. Once you have a list of search results, you can narrow these down further by using the filters on the right-hand side of the page. In this example, I'm only interested in looking at stories published by The Guardian newspaper. You can see that this has narrowed down my search from over 1 million results to only 480. To read an article in full, click on the title, which normally appears as a blue title. Each result will have a toolbar on the top which will allow you to save, print, listen or enlarge the document. To return to the home page, click in the top left-hand corner on Gale OneFile. You can also search the database in other ways. Firstly, the Topic Finder tool provides a visual representation of your search results. I'm going to search for climate change again. You can choose to see your results as tiles or as a wheel. Either way, the Topic Finder will give you an overview of the major topics and subtopics relevant to your search query at a glance, and it will provide you with new paths and search terms for further research. You simply click on the tiles or spokes of the wheel to uncover the full text news stories behind each topic. Secondly, using the subject guide search. Here I'm looking for subjects related to air pollution. Once I type in what I'm looking for, I can select what I need from the options that automatically appear as I type. Finally, I can search through the publication search. I can use this to either explore the full list of all the local, regional, national and international publications featured in the database. If you click on List All Publications, it will tell you every single newspaper or publication that we have access to. Alternatively, you can type in what you're looking for and it will come up. I'm going to search for The Guardian. You can see that there are lots of different Guardians to choose from, but I'm going to look at the one that's published in London. This will give you every edition of The Guardian, so if you wanted to read the news from a specific day, you could scroll through and click on the title. This is the end of the tutorial, but please do ask a librarian if you need any further help. Thanks for watching.